Well, if you are stuck on this screen, updates are underway and don't turn off your PC. So what you need to do is you need to wait here in case guys if there's the rolling up the Windows update, and if you got the latest update, so system is automatically updating your system. But somehow if it is stuck for almost 1 to 2 hours, then in that case you have to forcefully shut down your system. How to forcefully shut down your system? Remove all the external cables from your system, and if you have the laptop, so you can remove the mouse and other cables as well, and press and hold the power button for almost 30 seconds until it gets shut down properly. And once the system is gets shut down properly, you need to wait for almost 1 to 2 minutes, leave system, let it cool down, and then after that turn it on and see if that fixes the issue. If same screen after that you are seeing here, then you need to wait here guys, you can't do anything. If you repeat the process, system may corrupt or may crash. So the last option you have is you need to wait here.